This total solar eclipse on April 8th, 2024, will be the ninth total solar eclipse since 1776. The number 9 kind of reminds me of the word Nineveh. Remember Nineveh? Nineveh? No sign will be given except for the sign of Jonah. Jonah came out of the fish and preached to Nineveh. And a solar eclipse took place, and Nineveh was given 40 days to repent or be punished by God. Nineveh repented. Good call. The first solar eclipse of the newly formed nation of the United States of America took place on June 24, 1778. It began in the middle of the Pacific Ocean and swept eastward, passing very close to the city of Philadelphia. The second total solar eclipse in 1780, Harvard College commissioned the River Samuel Williams Hollis Professor of Mathematics and Natural Philosophy to observe the total solar eclipse predicted for October 27, 1780. Then, according to most observers, the 19th century, the solar eclipses were pretty sparse until July 18, 1860. The fourth total solar eclipse of August 7, 1869 crossed America diagonally from Alaska to North Carolina. On July 29, 1878, over 100 astronomers observed an eclipse along a shadow path from Montana to Texas. Then the sixth eclipse of March 7, 1970, the moon shadow traveled at more than 1,500 miles an hour and darkened a 100-mile wide path of totality. The seventh solar eclipse of the United States of America's history took place on February 26, 1979, a total solar eclipse. The last such event in the United States in the 20th century, and it was visible from the Pacific Northwest through northern Canada. Then the eighth total solar eclipse of August 2017 brought the first total solar eclipse exclusive to the United States since before the nation was founded in 1776. This is also the first of the two solar eclipses we are covering in the X Mark the Spot total solar eclipse series. Then, of course, the upcoming ninth solar eclipse, April 8th, 2024. An interesting side note, this final eclipse in this presentation crosses 7 towns named Nineveh. So we verified that the upcoming eclipse will be the ninth total solar eclipse in the history of the United States. And 9 just happens to be part of the name of Nineveh. Coincidence?
That'll show you what Nineveh looks like here in Hebrew. And reading from right to left, we've got Nun, Yod, Nun, Va, and a Hey. Nun meaning fish, Yod, Nun meaning fish, and a Vav and a Hey. So again, you got the two Nuns, which is two fish, which reminds us of the constellation
Pisces. Yes, Pisces, the constellation with 2 fish. Isn't that interesting? Nineveh has 2 fish in its name, and the solar eclipse coming out of Pisces, the 2 fish constellation, will cross 7 towns named Nineveh. Coincidence? Remember, in Hebrew, there is no word for coincidence. Those are the only towns in the United States named Nineveh.